Now we will take up Hex Nut M16. So to create that, we have it's a standard part that is 16, 2 times the diameter. That means 16 is 32. You're going to have a arc method for the construction of hexagon. So first we will go to new, click on isometric part, and then click on ordered. Then go to this and hide this and enable base reference planes. So click on home, click on sketch. So click on coincident plane. We're going to take the top plane and draw a circle. Go to circle command, draw a circle from intersection point and take the diameter as 32. 2 times the diameter, that will going to be 32, and we're going to create the hexagon or construct the hexagon by arc method. You just click on intersection part of this, intersection part of this, intersection part of this, intersection part of this. Then come down to zoom area. Then go to line, take the intersection of these two and center of this, intersection of this, intersection of this, intersection of this, intersection of this, and center of this. Then by holding the shift key, by selecting the select button, you remove all these circles. So that will create the hexagon first. Then go to close sketch. So click on home, click on extrude. So it will be select from sketch. You just select the sketch, accept it. So here thickness of the nut will be 0.9D, 16 into 0.9, which will be 144. So that means 14.4. So we're going to get this. Now we need to create the chamfer. To create the chamfer, click on home, click on sketch. So click on the front plane. Then you come to zoom area. You just select this. It's a zoom area. Then go to project to sketch. Click on OK. Click on this line and this line and this center line. Then go to 0.2D. That means 3.2. So go to offset. 0.2D means 0.2 into 16, which will be going to be 32, which means 3.2. So from here you take this, then go to line, take the end part of this at the rate of 10 angle 60 degrees, because this will going to be the vertical value. So the angle between these two, to the vertical direction, it should be 30 degrees, and from here to here, and also from here to here, this dimension has to be 0.2D, which is 0.2 into 16, which will going to be 3.2. Now I will going to delete these dimensions, which is shown only for the reference. Then I will delete this. Then go to trim corner between these two and between these two. Then go to close sketch. Then come down to zoom area. Then go to home, click on revolved cut, click on this, accept it, click on the axis and revolve it through 360 degrees. You are going to get the chamfer. Then again go to home, click on hole. So click on the coincident plane as the top plane and go to whole circle option. So go to thread and take M16, which is Hex Nut M16. You take M16 and to whole extent. So the thread has to be done to the entire section of the hole. So M16 and say OK, and take the intersection part of this and then go to close sketch and then click on finish. So this is how you will be able to create a hexagonal nut of M16. So now we need to apply the material Fe410W Hex Nut M16. So to do that, go to application button, go to information, go to material table and select Fe410W, apply to model. Again go to application button, click on information, click on file properties, summary, then you type Hex Nut M16, then click on OK, then go to save, and it is already in the tailstock, so we will write Hex Nut M16, then you save it. So this is how you will be able to create this model, and finally you close this window. So then